Hey, I still go to my channel again. This channel, I'm going to talk about the new airdrop that just started, a 30 days airdrop that I started since last week, and I've accumulated simple points, some points that is okay. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and join our WhatsApp channel to follow our crypto updates or Telegram combos, or you want to learn forex trading or crypto trading. I've come to the right place. So let's go directly to what we're about to do today. The name of that airdrop is near mobile, what you're seeing on the screen. So for the registration, I'll put the link to your Play Store, because I have this on Play Store. I'll put the referral code that you input while you're doing the registration. So let me enter the dashboard. Like this. Okay, like this. I use password, but me I prefer to use fingerprint, because what I'm doing live this. I'm teaching you guys on how to do. So go to this NPRO. So this is the points I've accumulated so far, 20 points. But the tax per tax is 5 points. How much 5 points? And this airdrop will end in 90 days. Seeing on the screen. So see, for this it will enable on the day or list of listing days, and it will give us our tokens. It will give us maybe two options: withdraw or stake. Stake some and withdraw some, like that. You understand how those airdrop things go. See, N NPRO by staking near, please stake your near with our validator and get rewards in our NPRO token available soon. So go directly to wallets on this. So if you want to add near, that means you have to buy it. You buy it, but it's not compulsory for you to buy it. But maybe on the ET day they will need gas fee, or they will not need. I'm not them. I'm just saying. So for you to back up your wallet, to know your mnemonic phrase and your private key, though they'll show all those things when you are registering, but when you are done you still have to do it again, so they will know that you know it. So just want to use your backup, and if they give you any of those two phrase, you save it in maybe you can write it down, or you can save it on your app. I recommend Telegram to you. So this is it. Just export, answer some few questions like that. But exporting, continue. Should you share your private key with anyone? Never. It can be used to steal tokens only with trusted people. Yes, if asked in an email. Mm, Never. That's correct. Where should you store your nomic text? Okay. Okay, sorry, new sports. Make you shave. What is the first thing with what is the will anyone from email ask for yes with yes, no? Okay. No, never. You are talking to a scammer. I think that's the answer. So continue. Did you share your private key with anyone? What person? A key used to encrypt messages. B, a secret key that grants access to your fund. C, a type of digital currency. Answer is B, a secret key that grants access to your fund. Obviously it does. So this is it. This is it. This is the phrase. If you copy, just close it like that. Just like that, you answer some few questions and you're done. So that's all for today. So if you're new on this channel, once again, subscribe, like. The referral link is in the comment section. It's also in the description. You can go there, join the app, put the referral code, and get in and be part of those people to get tokens. And according to them, they say they will need $2. This is a snapshot of their so the first opportunity to get NPRO from near mobile app is a download near mobile app now and experience the very best of the near internet on your mobile device. So So I wrote on my group, but my group is on the comment. My group is under, I see the comment section of the description. So join it together with the referral. So MP join, I say join this airdrop ASAP, just a 30 days airdrop. You saw the expiring date 90 days. So yes, mean 90 days for it to end. NPRO token from near mobile is backed by near protocol itself. This according to them, 1 year is equal to $2.5, and the one NPRO is 1 year, and 1 year is $2.5. Yes, $2.5. So this is exactly what I'll post on the group. So you first go here, download the app, and you can decide to create new wallet or import your hot wallet. If you are doing hot wallet, you can import it from there, or paste this referral code to claim your spot. This is DAJSGO. Go to NSPRO and complete the 2 tasks done. All the tasks that I did like that. So that's all for today. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. We'll see you on the other side. Bye.